Hello children, welcome to RamaKidz educational video. I am your friend Manisha and today I am having a new thing. It is about sea animal. You know what children, I can't go to sea and just roam around and just to show you sea animals because I can't swim. So सर ने मेरे लिए यहीं पर सारी चीज़ें ला दी और मैं आपको यहाँ पे बैठ के सब कुछ दिखा सकती हूँ about sea animals. So let's start. Okay, before that you should know about what are sea animals. Alright? So a sea animal is an animal that lives in water for most or all of its life. And it may breathe air or extract its oxygen through a specialized organ called gills or directly through its skin. They are also called underwater animals, marine animals and sea creatures. So, this is about sea animals. Now, let us learn about the animals that are lives in sea. The first animal is walrus. Walrus spend half their time on land and half their time on water. Walruses have 4 flippers. 2 are in the front and 2 are in the back. Walruses have thick skins and then a layer of blubber. Their blubber keeps them warm in icy water. Both male and female walruses have tusks. You can see in the picture, both of them are having tusks. The next animal is jellyfish. You can see here, jellyfish have no brain, no heart and bones, or they are not having eyes. They are made up of smooth bag-like body and tentacles armed with teeny stinging cells. The jellyfish's mouth is found in the center of its body. That means their mouth is in the center of their body. Next animal is squids. Squids have a tube-shaped body and a small rod-like internal shell. It is called pen. Squids can change the color and it also have 8 arms and 2 tentacles. The main food source for the squids are fish and crustaceans, and they love eating fish and crustaceans. Alright? So, the next animal is octopus. The body of an octopus looks like a bag. It also has bulbous head, large eyes and 8 arms. You can see in the picture. The arm of the octopus has suckers. You know what children? Octopuses have blue blood. We all have red blood, but octopuses have blue color blood. Next animal is starfish. Starfish. The starfish is also called sea star. Starfish have no brain and no blood. The starfish eat clams, shell and mussels. Starfish usually have 5 arms. So, it is about starfish. Squids octopus, jellyfish and walruses. Now let's move on to the other animal. So children, it is about blue whale. You can see it's very big and it is the largest sea animal of the world. It is the loudest animal too. You know what? It is very loud, just like a jet engine. You know what, children? It is very loud, just like a jet engine, and its voice is very cranky. Now, what blue whale eats? The blue whale eats very teeny creature like krill. Now, after blue whale, we have seahorses. Seahorses are a type of fish that get their name from their horns like head. That means their head look like horse. You can see in the picture. They swim upright with the help of their dorsal fins. Dorsal fins. You know what, children? Seahorses are the slowest swimmer in the world. They swim very slow. You can see here. They also eat spineless shrimp and fish larvae. Seahorses don't have teeth or a stomach. That means they don't have stomach in their body and teeth in their mouth. Next animal is crab. Crabs live in all the world's ocean, fresh water and on land. Crabs have 10 legs. However, the first pair is their claws, which are called chili. C-H-E-L-A-E. Chili. Alright? So children, we have learnt about sea animals. But apart from this, we also have some other animals that live on sea. For example, we have turtle. We also have lobster and we have seal. So these are the other animals that live on sea. Alright kids? So children, I will meet you in the next class having a lot of knowledgeable things about EVS. Till then, wait. I am having some questions also for you. So, I want you to give me the answers of all the questions I will ask you and you can send it to this number. Alright? Okay. So, let me ask you the first question. My first question is, which is the largest sea animal in the world? My second question is, which sea animal is having no brain, heart, bones or eyes? Which sea animal is having no brain, heart, bones or eyes? My third question is, which sea animal's body looks like a bag? Which sea animal's body looks like a bag? My fourth question is, which sea animal is also called sea star? Which sea animal is called sea star? And my fifth question is, which sea animal can change its color? Which sea animal can change its color? So these are the questions for you and you have to answer me in this number. Alright kids? So I will meet you in my next video related to EVS. Till then, bye-bye.